Hey everyone, this is Greg with Info USA 1. This is a very quick video to offer a solution, a source for a solution for something that a lot of people are having issues with, and that is ringing in your ear. Now, we know that a lot of you already know, but we also know a lot of people may not know the actual medical term is called tinnitus, and it is estimated that it affects about 50 million people. And the noise may not just be limited to ringing. You may also hear a roaring, a buzzing, a hissing sound. Those are all things that can come from tinnitus. And the cause of it most commonly is something going on with the middle ear. The middle ear picks up sound waves. It prompts your inner ear to transmit those impulses to the brain. It could be damage to the eardrums or damage to those tiny little bones in your middle ear. That could be the source of the tinnitus. And other than just being extremely annoying, as with any medical condition, if it goes on for a long time without treatment, it could lead to other problems like sleeplessness, continuous exhaustion, anxiety, mood swings, depression, and just overall stress in your life, which, as we all know, affects everything in your life. So you just want it gone. And there is a guide that has helped thousands of people from around the world get relief from tinnitus, and it's called Tinnitus Miracle. There is a link right below this video. So just click on that link. It's going to take you directly to their website where you can get more information about this. And we want to thank you for watching this quick video. That's it for this Info USA help tip, and take care.